hope nobody was in there. Imagine going to the rally, saying, "Oh, I want to go to the rally, but I don't want to stand up like everybody else."
Yeah, okay.
I'm sit in the car.
Yeah, nobody's safe.
Nobody.
What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another rally reaction. We're super excited to get into this video, guys. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I didn't know which way we were supposed to go.
Ooh, that's a big cliff right there. He held on though.
She said super.
That was a she?
Sound like him.
Ooh. Sound like me playing with my zipper when it's cold. Here they come. Yeah, I'm running up the hill before the car get there because I just don't know.
Just watch this.
Oh my Lord.
Yo, these are houses
and
bricks. Boy, you can drive.
Roads.
Boy, you can drive. Golly. Dang, that was the tightest course I've ever seen. That was real tight.
Everything came off. Everything.
Wow.
He swung that little car. I told you those cars right there can handle
and I feel like that's one of my faves. And this one as well. Nope. Yeah, this one here.
I can't do the SUV, babe. Even those little hatchbacks,
I like how they wrapped that one too.
What'd that say on there?
He screamed.
He's still screaming. The driver had to say. Still screaming. That probably was his first one.
Turn around, said,
I wouldn't go on another one.
That's on me, yeah!
Where did that come from?
Pretty fast, wasn't it? Yeah, he waiting to see we gonna jump out the way. Let's go!
Come on,
let's go! Cause I would feel bad to be hit and then to look up and see they still going.
You ain't gonna stop for me. What happened? Is it on fire?
That is.
Woo! Get out the car! Get out the car! Oh my God! He got off fast.
Yeah, boy got off fast, boy.
He going the wrong way.
Wow. Ooh.
I hope nobody was in there. I hope nobody was in there. Imagine going to the rally, saying, "Oh, I want to go to the rally, but I don't want to stand up like everybody else."
Yeah, okay.
I'm sit in the car.
Yeah, nobody's safe.
Nobody.
This is smoke. Oh.
He missed him. Ooh.
Wow.
It didn't look like a too bad of a crash though. But man,
that dude was, someone was running, then had the 2 people standing there. That was.
Ooh, them 2 people almost got it.
Stick to it. He's sticking on that course. Oh.
Camera
almost got his little lens topped off.
See, if I was a camera person, I'm gonna just get me the most heavy dutyest tripod. Stick the camera right.
Stick it in the ground like a pitchfork.
Yeah, and go on by my business.
Come back tomorrow.
For real. Oh my God.
If there aren't enough marshals there, if there are no spectators, David Higgins is going to get the surprise and shock of his life. Whoa!
Why are they on? Do they not? Are they not notified that race is going on?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was fast.
Real fast.
I always, be concerned about them going through those woods with those little.
I would really hate the motorcycle version of this.
Alaman?
Yes. Oh, they have that.
Yeah, we reacted to
We
Alaman.
sure did, but it's not this fast.
But not like this.
That was the.
No, they do.
Okay, we got this for a reason. What's going on? Ooh, he whipping. Come on now. Did he just...
Man, the co-driver is just sitting there chilling, okay? Ooh! He jumped. He took
Almost...
over.
Wow. Golly.
The door came open.
Dang.
Man.
Woo. That was too close of an accident to just make a comment there, you guys.
I forgot what the comment was about. Oh, this is hot! Get this hot!
Man.
I wonder how many buildings get messed up. I wouldn't want my house along the course. I know y'all call it stage, I think they call it. I wouldn't want my house against the stage, along the stage.
That was nice.
He recovered well.
Here we go. Nice.
He got on the stage? Oh, what's he supposed to be right there?
It said finish.
Yeah, it said finish.
Oh man, that was kind of dope. He did that. Like
he did that.
their driving skills is really phenomenal. And I see one of you guys put in the comment section. These are the guys who work for cops. Like their skill sets, like they really get rid of the cops in the heartbeat.
We don't condone that.
Nah, but y'all say that. I was just acknowledging something that one of our, our people say. So rock with y'all, man. Hey, you guys send us some bangers, bro.
Yes,
this
y'all
stuff is
do.
crazy.
Again, I am speechless. It's crazy because as we're doing these videos, we got to take a little minute to recoup so we can do the next one because our hearts are just racing and it's very exciting to watch. But it's also like, woo, 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 woo.
That little nerve you got, it tests it every single time.
Yes.
That little nerve be tested every single time.
Yes, definitely. If you watch this while you're sleepy, you ain't gonna be sleepy by the end of it, okay?
Yeah, so if you guys ever was, again, like, I just know, you said something about it too, like, the people that don't want to stand up, they sit inside of the cars, like, it's, nobody is safe.
Nobody's safe.
People barely getting hit, cars catching on fire, exploding, parts flying everywhere. Like, you can get hit by a part. That alone is bad business.
Yes. Ooh, this is tough. This is some tough stuff.
That's some different air over there.
Yeah.
The atmosphere is probably different.
Definitely.
Man.
Man, well, like this video, guys. We'll chat with y'all soon.
Peace.